mo bang ma-relax sa beach within Metro Manila? Meron kaming condominium dito. Isang one-bedroom, fully furnished unit for rent for at least 1 year. The third floor, it's in Azure Residences. May white sand, man-made beach, wave pool, lap pool, may basketball court, and Wi-Fi enabled na yung beach club nila. Meron pa itong uh, nice amenities, may TV area. Kita nyo naman, magandang maganda ang appliances natin dyan. Talagang pinag-isipan ho ng owner natin. Sa labas ho, may balcony where you can chill and dine. So another look at our kitchen area. It has a sofa, a bedroom for two, a side table. Everything was picked out specifically for a tenant who would like to relax, enjoy, not for 3 to 5 days, but we're looking at 365 days. So ito naman, puntahan natin yung amenities area. We're going to the beach club. As you can see, that's the environs within the building. I mean, within the development. And that's the beach area. So it's white sand. The beach club has a lot of amenities as well. Different types of pool, a lap pool, a kids pool. There's also a playground, there's a basketball court. So everything that you need. If you're very practical, you just want to unwind after working, this would be a good respite for you. So for inquiries, just give us a call at +6 3 2 7 9 5 6 3 2 8 4.